Here with Zig Mueller, CEO of Analytical Science and Technology. Zig, tell us about how Analytical Science and Technology partners with a beverage manufacturer and what products would they potentially buy or buy from you or use?
Analytical Science and Technology actually works in 4 business units. Food and beverage is one of those. We also work in semiconductor and ultra-purity, industrial and specialty gases, as well as government services. For the beverage industries, we have a product line as well as laboratory services to ensure product safety, consumer protection and health, as well as brand protection. So the air breather unit that we're on display here today is part of that system.
We just heard from Bob Yeoman, who is the Managing Director of Spectrum Carbonic. Talk about AST's role with Spectrum and what you do with Spectrum Carbonic.
Analytical Science and Technologies is actually in a joint venture with EquipNet and BNR Compliance, and the relationship is basically we are the technology providers into the system. So the air breather system that we have is part of the Spectrum product line to keep the alternative CO2 sources safe, as well as the laboratory services that we have are very unique into the industry. We've got a fingerprinting program that's capable of identifying CO2 sources finitely across the world, looking at contamination down below the parts per trillion levels.
And you touched on it a little bit about the safety, but talk about how your products keep a brand safe and as well as their customers.
CO2 has always been considered one of the highest risk ingredients in the food chain because it's basically a waste gas from other industries. ISBT put together a compendium of known and possible contaminants. So the equipment that we produce look at those contaminants on a near continuous basis and ensure that those contaminants don't make it into the food chain.